Just a couple of other quick tips about point text. When you click and begin to type, when you click inside the field, you'll set an insertion point where you can start typing, or you can click and drag to select. Once text is selected, you can change its color, size, just like you would in a word processor. Double-clicking on a word will select it. Triple-clicking will select an entire line. A quadruple click will select an entire paragraph. Command or Control A will select all the text in a text box. If I move my cursor outside of the point text area, it will turn into a four-way arrow. That means I can reposition this point text anywhere on my canvas. Once I tell Photoshop I'm done typing by clicking the check mark up in the options bar, then I can go over to the text layer and double click on it, and that will select all the text in that point text. Every once in a while, you'll want to hide that selection color so you can actually see the text and what you're trying to do with it. If you type Control H on a PC or Command H on a Mac, that will hide that selection. The text is still selected though, just the selection color has disappeared temporarily. So I can change colors, I can change size, whatever, and see what's happening without that selection color being in the way. Just press Command H or Control H to return the selection visibility.